everyone, welcome to Miss Mary's Magical Take and Make Book Club. And for our first craft that we're going to do, we're going to be doing the Spiderwick Chronicles. So what you should be getting inside of your craft kit is you're going to get your instruction sheet, and also you're going to get a little book, 2 other sheets. These have some of the creatures that are in the Spiderwick Chronicles, and then this is your book cover. So for the very first craft in the Spiderwick Chronicles that we're going to do, real simple, is you're going to need some scissors or tape or glue, and you're going to cut out the cover to your book and then glue it down. Now you might have to trim off a little bit of the excess around it, but that's okay. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take out and cut all these little pictures of these different guys, and you're going to glue them inside of your book. And then this is going to be your guide, so that when you get a chance to go outside, maybe go through the forest, you can hunt and look for fairies and goblins, and write down in your journal any creatures that you might see, especially if you see the ones on this sheet. Now, in order to hunt for these creatures, you have to have a special monocle. And we're going to do a very simple monocle craft today. So you should get this little piece of paper towel roll, and it'll have 2 holes punched on the outside. You're also going to get a seeing stone, a little piece of plastic wrap, some glue dots, and then a piece of string. So the very first thing that you want to do with your monocle is you're going to want to either paint it or use some markers or crayons and kind of decorate it how you'd like. Just make sure that you don't cover up the holes. So after you've gone ahead and painted it, you're going to take your piece of plastic wrap, and then we're going to take some tape, and we're going to put this over just like this, and then we're going to tape it down. So the easiest way to do that is just to sort of lay it flat. Take a couple of pieces of tape, make sure that you don't cover up the holes, because that's going to be where we're going to use our string at. You might have to actually trim off some of the excess plastic wrap, but wait until you get this securely taped down to your monocle. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our seeing eye stone, and you can take a glue dot. Just press the glue dot to the back of your seeing stone, and then I would suggest putting it on top of your monocle. So just like that. Now the very last thing that we have to do, you might want to trim off some of the excess plastic wrap that's on there, is we're going to take our string, we're going to go ahead and thread it through one of the holes and tie a knot. You have to be careful too, because this string might kind of get stuck. And then you can either knot it on the inside like I'm doing, or you can make a knot on the outside. It might even be easier if you have enough string to make a knot on the outside so that it doesn't pull through that hole. So then you got it just like that. The next thing you want to do is you want to take and make sure that you have enough string to be able to pull through the second hole, because this is going to be our monocle to look through and see if we can find all these fairies and goblins. You're probably going to need an adult to help you with this. So once you've seen how much string that you need for that, go ahead, pull that through and knot it just like you did the first one. Now make sure it's not too snug up against your eye, because you don't want to scratch your eye. And if you want, you don't even have to wear it. You can just look at it like that, just hold it with your hand. Well, thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you again on Miss Mary's Magical Take and Makes. Bye-bye.